Hello and welcome. Today we are talking about the DPlugins collaboration, how to install it and how to set up the pusher. At this point I know that many customers are overwhelmed with the documentation and I totally get it, so I decided to create a short video how to set it up. So I already uploaded the plugin collaboration and I'm going to activate it. After you press activate it, it's going to download our framework and it's going to install it right away for you. So give it a second. You can see that our framework is installed and activated, and we're going to collaboration settings. Here what we see is we need a pusher API key, and if we just jump into the documentation we see that it's kinda scary, so let's find the key. You need to sign in or sign up. I have the GitHub account, so we're going to use that one, and we need to go to the channels, manage, and create the app. So tutorial collaboration setup. For the cluster you need to select your region. I will choose the European Union, Ireland, create the app. After you create the app you can find the keys here, and before we finish the setup here we need to go to the app settings, and the only thing that we need to do is enable client events. Let's do that. You can see it's published, saved. Go to the API keys, copy, paste, copy the secret key, cluster, and save changes. That's it. After that you just need to paste your license key, save changes, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.